How to crop and resize photos in Paint. So if you want to crop and resize photos in Paint, then what you need to do is just simply open up your photo that you would like to crop and resize. Just right click on it and you will have an option of open with. You need to go with Paint. Now you'll have this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is just simply go with the bottom right, which has that zoom option, and I'll just simply take 50. Now if you want to edit or just crop, then what you need to do is just simply resize it. So this is how you can resize. Now if you want to crop, then what you need to do is just simply go with selection, go with rectangle, and select the part that you would like to crop. So I want to crop this one, which is on the bottom, so I'll just simply select only this much, and after that click on crop, which is on the upper left, and the other part will be removed. And if you want to resize, then you can simply adjust it from the bottom corners of your image. So that's how you can crop and resize photos in Paint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.